two speckFINDER systems that we have today. One is a compact integrated system, and that system has a single board computer already built into the head. And it's interesting because a lot of people aren't sure when they look at the system that that actually has an onboard computer. But the head itself is small and it's designed for a single operator to use. So when the operator sits at their workstation, they position the equipment where it's ergonomically comfortable for them, and then they can use the system for their inspection or work-related task. So the other system that we have here today is a modular system, and that separates out the monitor. And that's a larger monitor and a larger computer. It's a 20-inch diagonal screen. And that can be used in applications where workstation real estate is not at a premium. So if a user wants a larger monitor, we have that system available as well, and it separates out the computer from that. In video magnification, optics are absolutely crucial. There are systems available on the market that claim high levels of magnification, but it's false magnification, it's digital magnification. One of the key differentiators of speckFINDER is the fact that we use high-end optics to get the best possible optical image, which is important for the operator to actually see at a high resolution the level of defects that may be present in a solder joint, it may be present on a PC board, whatever the case may be. With false magnification, you may have high magnification, but you can't resolve the level of detail that you need to actually perform your work. So precision optics is what DAZOR offers, and we do that with variable zoom optics so that you can either zoom out on an object, for example a PC board, if you wanted to get an image, the entire PC board within the field of view, and take an image of that, you can do that. And then also working directly with the zoom capability of the optic, you can drill in on a particular defect and capture an image of that as well. So you can only do that if you have quality optics available on the system. And so we have different optical choices that have different field of view depending on your requirement, and also have different levels of magnification. And there's an inverse relationship between your field of view and the power of magnification in the optic. And that's going to be important because sometimes people think that they want just a high level of magnification, and we have that, but in doing so, you will reduce your field of view. So it's a trade-off between how much of an object that you want within the field of view when you're imaging, or an operator or supervisor engineer is viewing, versus the level of magnification. So that's one particular point. The other point is we have also fixed magnification lenses. So we offer telecentric lenses where you can define the level of magnification that you want for your particular task. So if you have a customer who requires inspection at 10x, we have an optic that you can inspect at 10x or 20x or 40x. And it's important in those settings, especially if it's a high volume setting, that the operator inspect, or the person inspect at that level of magnification. You don't necessarily want them to inspect at a higher level magnification because that's not what's called for by the contract. And by keeping that set or fixed level of magnification, you can increase your throughput and not have the operator make adjustments on the particular optic. So we have optics that are tailored for your need, but we just have to have a conversation about what your particular needs are for the use of the speckFINDER at a particular workstation. In addition to the optics that we're using being high quality, high resolution optics, it's important to know on our speckFINDER systems that we can actually interchange the optics. So depending on who the user is within a particular company, they can interchange the optics to get a higher magnification range or a higher field of view range, and the speckFINDER allows you to do that.